All right, Hiro-san, back in the studio for another delicious experiment. I guess that's what this is, right?
We're gonna try this one.
We're gonna do kind of a salmon sashimi, but we're gonna try and bake it in the outside, kind of like, almost like toasting. Now, we know that's kind of difficult.
Yeah.
We talked about that earlier.
Salmon is a little bit difficult.
Yeah, once you cook it, it
After you
becomes
cook it.
flaky, right? So we're gonna try our best. Hiro, let's talk about the ingredients.
Yeah, of course we have a Bakkafrost Salmon
Okay.
and the garlic, sesame oil, Mirin, soy sauce, olive oil, and salt and pepper. First I'm gonna do a marination sauce.
All right.
So I'm going to use this one for this time. So crushing the garlic.
We know you have great skills, Hiro. But
Yeah.
a lot of us, including myself, I had this at home, and this is what I just do to make it quick and simple.
Use this one, right?
Yep. What's great about this little apparatus is that all the garlic and or ginger, if you wanted to use, as we showed last time that it works, is that the pieces come out really, really small. So when you add the oil and sauce, when you coat the salmon, it's really, really nice.
Measuring is gonna use again this 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
The 4 tablespoon. And then 2 tablespoons over the olive oil. Okay, then a little bit of Mirin this time,
Okay.
maybe half of that. And just a little bit sesame oil, maybe quarter of that.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more garlic here.
I like anyway a lot of garlic, so
Yeah. Perfect. Alright, again, this is an experiment. We don't know the results. And try and just sear the outside, hopefully, and inside will be nice and undercooked. Again, Bakkafrost salmon is, for us, the world's best salmon. Sushi grade, right out of the box. Just cut and serve. If you guys haven't tried it, information is down below. Definitely give it a try. Perfect. So it says 12 minutes, Hiro. Let's check it after 5 minutes, okay?
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Good luck, Hiro.
Okay. Let's
See how it turns out. Today's video is sponsored by Baksu.
Yes.
Japanese snack subscription all the way from Japan. Hiro-san, you have a beautiful box.
Get that from company.
Now, every month you guys can get a new themed snacks all the way from Japan. Every month is sure to bring you closer to Japan. So many different kinds of snacks from different regions. Pink Valentine. Oh, very, very nice.
How about this one?
Let's take a look here. This is also different.
It's a little different, right?
Yeah. All right, Pink Valentine. You guys go learn a lot about Japan if you guys see this beautiful pamphlet that they give. Some of these companies have been around for over 100 years. Look how beautiful this package looks.
They send us actually every month different assortment.
Yeah. Like I said, you guys give them a try. Use Hiro's code Hiroyuki10. Get 10% off. Here, you want to open one up. Enjoy. I want to.
Okay. So let me go to Fukutai.
Lucky. This is your year.
Yeah, lucky.
Can you give me a piece too? Because that looks
So
good.
we can have over.
Yeah.
Oh no, not red bean. Chocolate.
chocolate. Something out of mousse. Very good, very light.
つゆちん flavor.
Really? We should try that. Very good.
From this side, maybe this one.
Okay.
ほこほこ柴芋。I think I made them from potato. 芋。This is 芋。Ah, yes.
This one is soft. How's it taste?
I like.
Well, thank you so much to Baksu for sponsoring today's video. Use Hero's code HIROYUKI10. Get 10% off, free shipping all the way from Japan. And enjoy your snacks. You guys will love it. Let's check it out, Hiro. This is, again, we don't know what to expect.
Yeah, outside is already cooked.
Nice.
But it looks like inside is still kind of a little bit raw, maybe.
I hope so. That's our goal. Oh my goodness, look how much juice there is in that salmon.
Meat is very soft. Insides are kind of raw still.
Nice.
That's what we are looking for.
Okay, the next question is cutting it. Good luck, Hiro. If anyone can do it, you can.
This is Hiro can do, you cannot. I said last time Hiro can do, you can do it. But this is Hiro can do, you cannot do it.
That sounds like Yan can cook,
Yeah.
but you can't.
But Yan can do it, but you cannot do it.
All right, our friend Martin Yan, what a good guy.
It's already cooked.
It's already cooked all the way?
Already cooked.
Wow.
But and this area maybe not.
Okay. Really very, very moist. All right, I'm excited to see what the inside looks like, especially in the thicker part. Here's on, let's see. Oh, wow, perfect.
Yeah.
Wow. Salmon is so moist and juicy. Imagine the salmon belly. Now, how much would you pay for a plate like this at a restaurant? Center cut salmon, nice and thick, slightly seared on the outside, still raw. The best part of this whole meal is you guys at home can do it too. Toasted sesame seeds here.
Some over, or if we have a kaiware is very nice too.
This is so fragrant, the fresh ova. Again, if you can't find this, try fresh basil. Or even skynes would be great.
Okay.
Wow. What a meal, Hiro. Nice big chunks. Who wants to take a bite? Wish you guys would come and visit the studio. You would enjoy it so much. Well, Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like the vid at home, give it a thumbs up and comment below. And share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And tell us what you want Hiro to do next. This was definitely an experiment, but to me, huge success. And I hope you guys can try it at home.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
Unbelievable dish, Hiro. Can't wait to try this. You're excited. So simple. You want to keep it simple for everyone. You guys can do this at home, right, Hiro? Enjoy.
Yeah. I wish more like skin side of getting more crispy.
Yeah.
Like that.
Nice. Enjoy.
No, very super moisture.
Super moist, huh?
Salmon.
It looks really moist.
And
Just
the garlic
inside.
is very good. Garlic taste.
The garlic taste is good. You know, sorry, Hiro. I need to take this piece. Taking that picture earlier, I was looking at this piece. It's like perfect. Let me try it. Wow, can you guys see this?
Yeah, this is good.
Beautiful, huh?
I just need just a little more soy sauce. Just a little.
Wow. That is so good. To me, the flavor is actually perfect for the salmon. The rice is a little bit bland because
You can do same sauce like marinated. You can a little bit glaze it on the saucepan. And then you can
drizzle on top.
drizzle on the top too.
Yeah. The salmon is actually perfect with that soy sauce marinated. Take a look at this, super flaky. Wow, Hiro-san, I think this is a winner.
Yeah, you like a salmon?
I love the salmon. I love Bakkafrost salmon. It is so delicious. Amazing.
Isn't it good?
Means I don't want to be rude and talk with my mouth full. And the fresh oba too. That's a nice touch.
Yeah,
You guys, please try this at home. You will not regret it. You will thank us later. And you're welcome.
Well,
Hiro, see you soon.
thank you very much. See you next time.